Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can block someone in your Facebook. So if you want to block someone, first let's access all of our friend list. To do this, simply click on this seconds friend request tab right here, and then you can see this option which says your friends. Simply click on the your friends button and it will list out all of those friends which are currently added in your account. Now choose that particular account that you want to block. So for example, I want to block this account right here which says random. Now to block this, click on these three dots over their name. Then it will give you these options. Now to block someone, simply click on this block their name profile option, and here you can see they won't be able to see you or contact you on Facebook. Click here and then it will ask you for a confirmation. Simply click on the block button, and here you can see that they have been removed from your friends list and they have been successfully blocked. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.